All right, oh, very hot today. As I mentioned last time on the video, we just arrived to Berava, and this is the main junction in Berava. Been a while when we were here last time. I think last time we were here when we went to Atlas Beach Club.
Yes.
It was like at least December or November last year. Then we left Bali. So yeah, I mean, this is the hype is all about here. So
this is the famous intersection in Berava where long time ago during pandemic, police officer, catch the people who don't wear a mask. And yes, this is it. What's the hype about of Berava Canggu?
Here in the corner is the boutique with the very fancy stuff. So many restaurants and over more restaurants under the construction. Everything is changing all the time. This is the sign where we are actually, and so many advertisements with the businesses. So we are trying to cross this junction here. When I'm filming, actually right now, it's nobody driving. It's always like that. But when we were opening, you saw it was busy. Gelato Secrets here, and we're gonna go there. So there is the beach and the beach clubs and everything. So let's go.
All right. So it seems like there are so many shops, so many boutiques in this area. This is the main road to go to the beach club, Fins Beach Club or Atlas Beach Clubs. It's quite a small road.
Once we were here in Lusa by Suka, nice restaurant. Of course, this is part of Canggu, so no footpath and anything like this one. You have to walk on the side of the street. But yeah, that's how does it look like. And everywhere, literally everywhere, construction or something new, something fancy. Yeah, that's how does it look like. Under construction, also people strolling, even with the kids, even with the twin kids here actually. So cool, but unfortunately on the streets. But that's all village basically. That's not even close to the city. It's just the village. Property, stuff, cold stone, ice cream, luxury villas, commercial space available right here, right now. Like this one, still under construction though, but it's available. And something here, Tamora and Gallery and so. I mean, you can get like a film everywhere. So many stuff. And little bit of the rice field, what's still left. Land must be here very expensive though, that's for sure.
Look at behind me, this one, the limited luxury villas under construction. And until there, like Damian said, only this space still available for the rice paddies.
This rice paddy will gone in the nearest future. And this is actually very expensive. Not gonna put the numbers, but very expensive. And Tamora actually expanding for here. I don't know what's gonna be here, but a lot of changes. And regarding the traffic situation, it's busy like for Canggu, but it's still moderate. It's not the weekend. On the weekends, especially Friday night, Saturday night, you can come here and you will stuck in the huge traffic. Right now, it's just still moderate, so it's not that bad. Village vibe, but the modern Bali village vibe. Adi, what actually happened to this village? It's like your village just on steroids or something, or what's happened there?
Overdevelopment, what I can say then. Everywhere we walk, it's just like brand new restaurant, brand new villas, brand new boutique shop. And the thing is that there is no...
down here when I was filming this.
There is no path to walk, And here,
but
what I can
so many
say,
new fancy bars on every single corner. So I think like this one, for example, and this one, and this one. Yeah, nice village though. So nice looking open restaurants here. 3 next to them, Japanese, I don't know what is middle, and Italian. Very nice, and villas in the background. Obviously, here some business, some villa on the other side. Well, that's how does it look like. Then you have an empty piece of land waiting for something new. And of course, everywhere houses and villas in the background. And another restaurants here, why not?
you see, I just walked about 5 minutes. In every plot of the land is already development like this one. Like a complex development for the apartment, for the villas, and look at the road. And what I can say then, the Berava village for the rice paddies is just like slowly all will be gone. And I think that already 80 until 95% almost gone. Beautiful temple. I think this is the village temple, that what I can see, it still look exists and nicely, you know, in between the brand new
Village.
brand new villas around, brand new restaurant, a brand new like shop, and then, you know, money changer, something like that. But still, Balinese temple still exists. Only one here.
But this is actually same like a Kuta or Legian in the late 70s, early 80s. Also was developing, just of course at that time, at that era was totally different kind of restaurant, different kind of sports bars and the warungs, different kind of establishments in general. But also there was the Kuta Legian was just the village, small village, and become what is it now? Just 40 years ago. Now Canggu becoming also something like that, just in totally modern, different way.
All right, so right in front of me is the biggest beach club in Southeast Asia. They advertise it like that, Atlas Beach Club. And I think that there is one brand new, which is next to it is W Super Club. It still belongs to Atlas Beach Club. And you see that how huge they are. Oh my God.
Yeah, we made the video inside at least 2 times if you would like to have a look. Also be careful how you step here because you can die, literally. So there is no footpath, but overall situation that's the Atlas Beach Club look like this one. Been inside, they have a valet, they have an open space for public and also beach club itself. Yeah, nice place. What I'm gonna tell you, if you would like to see inside, you can watch my previous videos. Also there is huge parking lot right now, so you can park your car there or give them for the valet. And there will be fins and the beach. But of course, next to on the other side of the beach club, there are nice a lot of nice restaurants, just in general. And yeah, beach club is over there. But I think that's it about the Atlas. Let's focus on the beachfront right now. But still, Canggu have a little bit of Balinese style, like a house, Balinese house, and the local warung selling the t-shirts, singlets, bintang and stuff like this one, coconuts, tours. So slightly Kuta vibe still here, little bit. But yeah, surrounds with the more fancy establishment just in general everywhere. And then of course you have a VIP Fins, a world best beach club, at least they said like this one, entrance to Saint-Tropez. And then there will be regular fins. And then you have some establishments like Panama, but since Panama is out of business recently, it was open all the time during pandemic, it's gone now after pandemic, also interesting and sad at the same time. And of course, legendary Fins Beach Club here must to be. That was one of the first beach clubs in Bali actually. Some people said they start and then other people follow the trend of the beach clubs like this one. And yeah, so people enjoying motor taxi station, some ice cream and coffee shop like this one, small one. Next one actually very cute. And also they have electric scooters right now, and there's some locals driving here like this one. We're gonna get into the beach now. Also, it's actually pretty hard, pretty tough to. A lot of people opening business in Barava and Canggu in general, but it's a little bit hard to manage to be continuously for many years successful. Usually they open something 1-2 years and they are gone, and another people coming and opening something different. Many people wants to try, many people have money to try, but not everybody are becoming successful, unfortunately. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the corner of the Fins, legendary place with this bamboo construction and the beach. We arrive actually on the sunset time, little bit of the rubbish at the beginning, but they clean it, they just drop it here. There's some hotel, something, and sunset gonna be just literally in 20 minutes. We are on perfect time. We came on the perfect time, baby.
Yes, let's watch sunset then, and I don't know what I can say than the rubbish.
Alright, and this is the Barava beach and the vibe over here. So just to let you know how does it look like everything here. You have some local warungs here, and there is the hotel. In the background there are some small beach club over there. There is little bit of empty gap, and W and the TheMonkeys over there already, and the luxury collection. I mean the 66 beach actually, and everything is already there in the background. Then you have a gap, then you have a Barava, which is beginning of the Canggu, and then you have over 1 kilometer of the beach reserved for the beach clubs. First one is Fins Beach Club, one of the first ones here, as I already mentioned. Most of people should know this place, and then there is the Atlas obviously, and then after that will be Pererenan and other parts of Canggu. Also Oldsman is there, and in general other parts of Canggu. Pererenan and then Taban and Tanah Lot. And beautiful sunset. Well, the sunset is actually the most beautiful on today's video, what I want to show you. Beautiful waves, beautiful sound. Well, the sound is actually a little bit mixed with the waves and the loud music, but the ocean looks good. And also so many surfers here, because people likes to surf. All like this over here, I catch it a little bit, but cool anyways. Also earlier I mentioned some Kuta Legian, Seminyak, but Kuta Legian especially in late 70s, early 80s was pretty the same. I mean, different establishment, different kind of businesses. At that time, the most trendy were sports bars. Now, more trendy are beach clubs like this one, and newer generation of the same kind of people actually coming to Bali. They just prefer enjoying their time in the beach club like this one or the other one rather than the sports bar. But development on Bali is pretty similar. Well, pretty similar. But, well, not everybody may like it, but it's pretty similar actually at the end.
Yeah, and the music is very loud, so when we walk and talk, seems like, I don't know, I couldn't hear that. I hope that you guys can still, hear our voice clearly, because it's so loud. That's the Fins Beach Club, San Tropez. That's the biggest Atlas Beach Club. So this Brawa is Beach Club vibes.
But the sunset sign behind you is beautiful. And also, I don't know if you noticed, but the beach is not that extremely busy. But if I'm gonna zoom it right now into the beach club seems fully packed. Especially the beds facing the ocean and everything. Quite a lot of people. That's already San Tropez. And well, we're gonna have a quick look to the Atlas outside. Looks like this one. And well, sunset, I want to really show you a little bit of the sunset. It's so beautiful. Seems like in general, if you're coming to Bali right now, the beach club is just simply the must, especially for the younger generation of the people, but also local people very much enjoying the beach clubs. Like Atlas is owned by the actually Indonesians, just in case if you miss this. But I have a personal question to you guys. When you were coming to Bali, when you were in your 20s or 30s, and you were staying, let's say, in Kuta or Legian or Seminyak, you were going most likely, I mean, I think so, or maybe not, you can let me know, to the sports bar or to the bar, enjoying a few beers and watching sports or something like that. That was the era where beach clubs weren't exist. So let's say you are now in your 60s or 70s, many of our audience are in this age actually as well, and your kids maybe are now in 20s or 30s coming to Bali. I'm very curious because most likely, I don't think so, they're watching our YouTube channel or not, but your kids coming to Bali, they prefer still going to Kuta Legian, to the sports bar like you were going, or they may be asking you to go to the beach club, because we know somebody who actually, the daughter, when she came for the New Year's Eve, she wanted to come to Fins.
Yes.
That was true story. Their parents usually were going to the sports bar, but the kid already wanted to go for the beach club for the New Year's party. So this is evolution, I could say. It's like going like that. I know it's not for everybody, but I'm just curious how it is. Maybe in your personal situation, in your family, is the case like this one. Meanwhile, this is the Atlas Beach Club, the biggest one. Sunset is finishing soon. Yes, Sam.
So regarding to the lady who wants to go to beach club, especially in the Fins Beach Club, and I know that the price is just about 3,000 US dollars for the entry fee during the New Year's Eve. But still insists wants to go there.
For the VIP cabana, yeah, the sunset. Yeah, anyways, that's how it is. We showed you Barava today, a little bit different. It's really been a while when we were filming, so I think it's good time to show you something different. That's how it is. That's the most hype area of Bali anyway so far. Yeah, thanks so much. See you tomorrow on next one as always. See ya.
Bye!